So my buddy John has a Catalina 25, said wind was good tonight. Sun is gonna give us about an hour before we hit, you know, dusk, and then have to kind of think about what our plan is after that. But yeah, we're gonna go try and find John, and he's single-handing solo sailing his Catalina 25, so let's see if we can go meet up with him. I just talked with John, and he's over on the South Cut, middle of the South Cut, making his way back over. So we're gonna do a tack and make our way over towards the cut back there, and we'll meet up with him here in a little bit. So we'll get ready to tack. Attack. Ready. Attacking. Nope. Did not point far enough over. So we'll have to tack one more time to make that cut. I did not get my angle right. That's a huge thing that I've been working on for sure, is trying to get my angles proper. You know, when you're swinging 180 degrees, and that's like, navigating to me still seems like the biggest mystery for sailing. It seems like the thing that I'm gonna have to spend the most time doing. I think I can understand a lot of the concepts, but just understanding direction and, you know, what's going on. I really hope my mom doesn't watch this episode, because I've been accused of being directionally impaired. So. But you know, when you're sailing, you have your, you know, your no zone, and so often I'm guilty, almost every time I'm guilty of completely undershooting. And I've noticed when I've sailed with John a couple times on his Catalina 25, he's really good about, you know, going out, making an attack, going back, making an attack, and setting us up in position. And so, like, right now, I really didn't have a direction, but now that I had the direction, which was the south part of the cut, I had completely missed it. I was way too high into the wind. So now I'm gonna have to kind of sail back and then tack one more time to get closer at an angle. So a lot to learn in that particular respect. It's kind of hard to see. That was what we were trying to shoot for when I completely missed my direction. So you can see from my direction, I've got to go pretty far in kind of a southwest heading, and then I'll tack and try and meet up with him over in that direction. But there's John coming towards us. So I've got John just kind of to the south. He's just clearing the cut. So I'm gonna tack one more time and see if we can't meet up at about probably 8 to 10 minutes of sailing. So get in position to tack. Actually, I'm right there, so let's just do it. Ready to tack and tack. Are headed right for each other. Nailed it. took about 5 minutes. That's perfect. So let's tack and see if we can't catch up with him now. Gonna get in race mode here as best we can. Try and find that wind and come up and catch him. I can do something. I think he's got me. He's got me. Any of you race that are watching this and have any tips, I don't know why I can't catch up to him. I've actually never tried to catch up to a boat before, so we'll see. He's just getting into irons. I never caught up to him. So I guess John's the winner of tonight's race. So, anyone out there watching, Catalina 25, Catalina 22. Catalina 25 passes, gets, within 20, 30 seconds past me. I tack, and then he kept pulling away just a little bit more. So, I'd be curious to know what that was going, what was going on. Who knows? And it might just be that you need more than 5 minutes to catch back up. I don't know. But tonight was fun. I'm glad that I got to see him out here, and yeah. I'll tell you, he's got those lazy jacks, and he pretty much can have his boat all put away by the time he pulls up to the dock. I, on the other hand, have like a good 30 minutes worth of work getting my sails down and tucked away and pulling the keel up and all sorts of stuff.